Medicine Overview. Uses of Crocin tablet. Crocin Advanced tablet is used for pain relief and fever. It is used to relieve pain in conditions like headache, joint pain, muscle pain or dental pain. Some side effects of Crocin tablet are stomach pain, nausea, vomiting. How to use Crocin tablet. Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Swallow it as a whole. Do not chew or crush or break it. Crocin Advanced tablet is to be taken with food. How Crocin tablet works. Crocin Advanced tablet is an analgesic, means pain reliever, and antipyretic, means fever reducer. It works by blocking the release of certain chemical messengers that cause pain and fever. In-depth information on Crocin Advanced tablet. Crocin Advanced tablet should be taken with food or milk to prevent upset stomach. Take it as per the dose and duration prescribed by your doctor, but remember long-term use may lead to serious complications such as stomach bleeding and kidney problems. Do not take indigestion remedies and antacids within 2 hours of taking Crocin Advanced tablet. Avoid consuming alcohol while taking this medicine as it can increase your risk of stomach problems. Inform your doctor if you have liver disease, as your dose may need to be adjusted. Your doctor may regularly monitor your kidney function, liver function, and levels of blood components if you are taking this medicine for long-term treatment. What if you miss dosage? If you miss a dose of Crocin Advanced tablet, take it as soon as possible. However, if it is almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and go back to your regular schedule. Do not double the dose. Safety advice. It is unsafe to consume alcohol with Crocin Advanced tablet. Consult your doctor in case of pregnancy. Crocin Advanced tablet may be unsafe to use during pregnancy. Although there are limited studies in humans, animal studies have shown harmful effects on the developing baby. Your doctor will weigh the benefits and any potential risks before prescribing it to you. So, please consult your doctor. If Crocin Advanced tablet is prescribed to breastfeeding women, so it's safe. Crocin Advanced tablet is safe to use during breastfeeding. Human studies suggest that the drug does not pass into the breast milk in a significant amount and is not harmful to the baby. Crocin Advanced tablet does not usually affect your ability to drive. In case of kidney disease, Crocin Advanced tablet should be used with caution in patients with kidney disease. Dose adjustment of Crocin Advanced tablet may be needed. However, Crocin Advanced tablet contains paracetamol, which is considered the safest painkiller for kidney disease patients. So consult your doctor before use. In case of liver disease, Crocin Advanced tablet should be used with caution in patients with liver disease. Dose adjustment of Crocin Advanced tablet may be needed. However, the use of Crocin Advanced tablet is not recommended in patients with severe liver disease and active liver disease.